What's going on, guys? It's Connor here. Today I'm going to be doing a toy unboxing for these Minecraft minifigures and some Beyblades. But first, I've hit my goal of 12 subscribers, and now for the face reveal. This is me. This is Connor. So now, this is what I'll be like for the rest of my videos. My name is Connor. Okay, now let's get on to the toy unboxings. We're gonna do Minecraft first. If I can actually get this open. There we go. Okay. We have this open now. Let's see what's this? There's a little package. It's a little book. Collect them all. It has these little minifigures. Let's see. Oh, it has a little comic inside. Okay. Alex's farm. The babies are hungry. Which food will they want? That's this page. Okay. Then lunch, and then the cow says yuck, and then Alex has a question mark over her head, and then it says, do you want hay? And then the cow goes yum yum yum. Okay, well, there's a little comic. That was cool. Okay, now to see the little minifigures. Let's see here. Okay, first we have it's kind of hard to get out. There we go. We have a little pig. Oh, he's cute. And then we have, and this is the Baby Animals series. Then we have a baby sheep. And then we have a little baby cow. And it also has these, and I guess you can swap out their faces. So let's get these out real quick. There's a carrot, and I'm pretty sure that the animals can hold the food in their mouths. So, like, with the hay, I'm pretty sure the cow can hold it somehow. But I don't know how he could. Maybe like this? Hold on. Okay, he holds the hay, and then there is grass, and I'm guessing that the sheep holds the grass. Yep. And then I'm pretty sure that the pig holds the carrots. but the carrot's kind of stuck in there. There we go. Okay, then I'm pretty sure the pig holds the carrot something like this. That is cool. And then you can swap out their faces. But I'm not gonna mess with swapping out their faces right now because I don't want to mess anything up. And what is this? You can, so here's the cow, the baby sheep, and the pig. And then we also have the other faces that you can swap out with the cow and the sheep. And that is the little Minecraft baby animal set. Now next, moving on to the Beyblades. The new Beyblades I got yesterday. So let's clear the Minecraft stuff off. And now for the Beyblades. We've got the Lava X Anubian A4, which is this one, so it would be this one. And then there is the Spiral Treptune T4, which is the yellow one. And there is their stats. Okay, now let's unbox them. Get the scissors. Okay. Have the little manual. Okay. Here are the Beyblades. Now we just gotta cut these. There's the top part out of the lava one. Here's the middle part. And then the bottom part. Whoa. It popped out. Okay. Now, let's put this together. First, we put this here on the bottom. And then there is the first Beyblade, the Lava X Anubian A4. And now for the Spiral Treptune T4. There's the top part, and then the middle part, and then the bottom part. Oh, I have never seen a bottom part have this little design before. It has this little magnet part, and this pops in and out. That's pretty cool. So let's put together this one. Okay, now we have the red and orange and the yellow and black finished. Now, let's get out the Beyblade arena. Okay. We got the Beyblade arena. Okay. Let's move this stuff. Let me bring you guys over here. Let's clean this out. And let's start. So first, we're gonna need a rip cord because we already have the Beyblades put apart. So let's try this one and this one. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Now first, let's try out the red and gray one. I don't know if this one's gonna fit on this one. It might. Okay. Okay. Looks like it's more of a attacker because it's staying in the middle. And it is going for a pretty long time. Nice. Now, for this one. Okay. Just going to use the same rip cord as last time. Okay. Put this on. Hold on. Okay. I've never seen an end like this, so we're gonna see what happens. It's pretty quiet. And it looks like it's staying in the middle mostly. Wow, very, very silent. But it's spinning pretty fast. And it looks like it's staying in the middle. That's a pretty cool Beyblade. And those are my two new Beyblades. And the new Minecraft Baby Animal set. And that's about all I have for today for a toy unboxing. I will be doing a Beyblade battle video here soon. Keep an eye out for it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.